Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my tips to losing weight fast. Oh. Do you want to lose weight? You're too little already. So if you guys are new to my channel, you may not know, but I've actually lost 20 kilos on my weight loss journey. So I will link a card. Hey! So I will link a card above of my weight loss journey story if you guys want to listen to that. But yeah, just in today's video I wrote down some notes and I'm going to give you guys some guidance. So let's get into it. The first one is to de-stress. It is a lot easier said than done, especially if you work in a job that's really stressful or you just have like a really stressful personal life. But if you can try and minimize that stress even slightly, then you'll definitely see big results. Even if it's just like going for a walk to de-stress, journaling, like coloring in, or anything that makes you feel less stressed, make sure to do that. One, for your own mental well-being, but your physical as well. There's a lot of people I know who want to lose weight and are technically doing all the right steps, like they go to the gym, they eat really healthy, but their weight doesn't budge. And I honestly do think it's down to stress, because your body goes into fight or flight mode and it holds onto the fat because it feels like it's being invaded basically. Like your body kind of shuts down, it holds onto fat because it needs that to survive. So stressing is not good for your mind or your body. So if you can find ways that will help you de-stress, I definitely think you'll see big results. My second tip is get more sleep. It is recommended that you sleep 7 to 9 hours a night. I know not everyone gets that, but if you can try and sleep somewhere between those hours, your body will thank you. Your body needs time to recover, and while you sleep, that is exactly what your body does. It repairs your muscles, it recovers your body, and it just like prepares you for the next day. So getting sleep is vital for losing weight and your whole body in general, and like your brain functionality. That's not a word. Functionality? Punctuality? I don't know. I've been talking for like an hour because I filmed another video before this, so my brain's not working. Apparently I need sleep. My third tip is to drink water. Boring, I know. But if you can zhuzh it up a little bit, you can add some lemon, oranges, strawberries, mint, watermelon. There are so many different fruits that you can add to water to make it taste so good. Or like green tea, peppermint tea, lemon water. Yeah, there's so many different ways that you can stay hydrated. I recommend trying to get 2 liters of water in your system a day. Again, I know it's sometimes really hard. Like half the time I'm not even thirsty, but you kind of have to like make yourself drink water. I sometimes put in different flavors like lemon, or I have like this special green tea that I buy and it kind of tastes like cordial, so that helps me drink like 1 liter down. But yeah, drinking water is just, I can't even explain it, guys. Like if you don't drink enough water, your body is going to hold on to so much sodium and you're just going to look like really bloated and feel really gross. Water like just, it gets rid of all of it. It helps your skin, your nails, your hair. It helps keep your belly less bloated, and you just like, you feel so much better and awake and alive. So highly recommend drinking some more water. And my 5th tip is to eat healthy whole foods. I definitely don't live by this 24/7. I eat probably 80% healthy and 20% whatever I like. On the weekends I generally eat pizzas, burgers, fish and chips, like lollies and chocolate and all that type of stuff. But during the week I do eat really healthy. So I definitely recommend trying to find that healthy balance within yourself and eating whole foods, because you can't do any better than eating whole foods, can you? So definitely recommend eating as many natural whole foods as you can. Fruit, vegetables, meats, nuts, seeds, eggs. What else is a whole food? Basically anything grown from the ground or anything like natural. I highly recommend that. And if you do want to lose weight, you'll have to eat in a slight deficit. So there are online calculators, or you can go to a personal trainer and find out like how many calories you should be consuming a day. And I would say to eat like 100 to 200 calories under that. You can probably eat more if you want to lose more weight, but I wouldn't suggest that straight away, because then your body will get used to eating in a very low deficit, and it's going to be really hard to keep your weight that same weight if you were ever to eat more food again. Does that make sense? But you do need to eat in a slight deficit if you do want to lose some weight. My next tip is that if you have a Fitbit or like an Apple Watch or something of that nature, you can even calculate it online. It would be to figure out your average like steps per day and how much activity you actually do. There's also a thing called basal metabolic rate, which is how many calories your body burns naturally, like at rest, while it's sleeping, or while it's just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. It's higher for certain people depending on your body type and genetics and things like that, but I personally walk anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 steps a day at my job. I also go to the gym for an hour every day, and I just in general have a higher metabolism now from living this healthy active lifestyle for 5 years. So my maintenance level for calories is about 2,000 to 2,200, but a lot of people's is like 1,600 sometimes for some people. So figuring out that will definitely help you kind of work out your calorie maintenance, your surplus, or your deficit depending on your goals. And I also want to say, as for like working up your metabolism, the more muscle mass you have, the more calories you're going to burn either during your workout or at rest. So I really like doing hypertrophy and resistance type strength training because it builds muscle mass, which means I can technically get away with eating more and my body will still burn it off because it has more muscle. Whereas that's why people who only do cardio, you're not really building up the muscle mass as much, so you don't actually get to like build up your metabolism, if that makes sense. So I definitely recommend doing a mixture of both cardio and strength training if you do want to see amazing results. My next tip is to find a training style that suits you. There are so many different ways you can exercise these days, and you don't need to be in a gym for an hour a day in order to lose weight or in order to be active. So there's boxing classes, group fitness classes, there's like, what is there? There's swimming, cycling, rowing, you can just like go for a jog out in nature, you can do like partner type exercise routines, you can work out at home. There are so many different ways you guys can work out, so definitely find something that works for your lifestyle, because if it feels like a chore, you're going to give up a lot more likely. I personally ran for the first couple of years into my lifestyle change, but I quite quickly got bored of that, and now I don't necessarily love running. I sometimes do though, but I definitely prefer being in the gym and lifting weights now rather than doing cardio. So if someone told me, nope, you can't do weights, you have to do cardio, I would just like give up because I wouldn't want to do it. So definitely find a training style that suits you, because you'll be able to stick to it for a lot longer period of time. And lastly, my final tip is to give it time. I feel like people start their weight loss journey and want to see results in the first couple of weeks or the first couple of months, and sometimes it honestly just takes time. It really stems down to genetics and the other lifestyle factors in your life. So definitely just be patient and give it some time. But anyway, my camera is about to die, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!